Like, you tell me to make a cake? Bruh. Unless it's Betty Crocker out of a box. I don't know how to do it. It's taken me, like, years to actually successfully make macaroons. I don't know. It's easy. You think that. Baking is literally science. Everything has to be perfect, measured to the T, or else the scientific reactions that happen in the oven won't happen. Hi. Just follow the recipe. Which recipe? Oh my god. I went through a phase of just anger trying to figure out which macaroon recipe actually worked. The amount of almond flour that I wasted. Some recipes just don't work. It depends on the recipe, it depends on the oven, everything, it depends. I'm serious. Like, unless you're working, I feel like, in a, like, restaurant level, pâtissier level kitchen, it's all different. Like, the minuscule of, like, difference in measurements make all the difference. Hey. And climate affects baking. Exactly! Man. So, that's a big no from me. Have I wanted to make cookies? Yeah, I have. Am I scared? Yeah. That I might burn the house down? I don't know. Callie said you're good though. Are you sure she didn't mean my cooking? I'm a great cook! I can cook! I just can't bake. I have an easy cheesecake recipe. Actually, I can make sweets that don't require an oven. As long as it's like just you freeze stuff, you let it go and use the fridge. I can do that. Hi. I just can't use the freaking oven. Do you even have a proper oven? No, I don't. A lot of places don't have ovens in Japan. I wish I did, though. I have a microwave oven. I have a microwave oven. Yeah. It's not the same. It does the trick. Was anyone Ian bake? I think Ina bakes. Yeah. Ina cookies. I remember when she made... Was she the one who made capybara cookies once? It was so cute.